ever stop and think, why spend too much time just getting ready? Let me be honest, I don't know a single thing that I haven't done to make you notice me. Let me be real here. When I see you, my heart starts racing, but I don't know if I like this chasing and playing and waiting around. It's a shame that my hands start shaking all of the time when you're around me, but this time.
Hello friends, and welcome back, or welcome if you are new, to Cora's Cozy Castle. In today's video, I will be giving my kitchen a deep clean. This is not just any deep clean. This is a cleaning challenge created by my really good friend here on YouTube, Jenny, from Cleaning Therapy. I will be following the checklist she created for this challenge, and this video will be part 1 to the first week's challenge. I met Jenny here on YouTube about a year ago, and I have to say she is one of the sweetest, most genuine girls I have ever met. We have such a special friendship, and she has supported me in so many ways, and I am so grateful and thankful for it. Thank you so much, Jenny. Please make sure to go and check Jenny out over at Cleaning Therapy. Her info will be in the description box below. You will be able to find her checklist for the Clean Your Way to Calm challenge, and we would love for you all to join us. I hope you enjoy today's video.
What's bothering me? I need somebody to love. Oh, nah, 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 nah. Don't you see what's wrong with me? I need somebody to love. Oh, oh, nah, nah. God, I'm sick of this waiting. You got me going crazy tonight.
Here I am cleaning out my fridge, getting ready to wipe down all of the surfaces. And while you guys are watching me here clean out my fridge, and I made sure to speed this process up because it did take me a while, I wanted to let you all know that one of the first clips I showed, I turned my oven on. I didn't get a close enough shot, but I was really turning it to a self-cleaning mode. This is a feature that I did not have on my last oven at my old house, but I have to say it is one of the best features you could possibly have in a kitchen. It takes all of the work out of having a clean oven. It is not perfect, but over here at Cora's Cozy Castle, we just care about progress. I will be showing the after picture at the end of the video, so make sure to stay tuned.
Don't you just get tired chasing fame and being pretty all the time? Doesn't sound like fun. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I want to be silly, baby, dance the night away. I'll kick my shoes off if I want. Let yourself be free, and maybe you will find that there is more to life than being pretty. Honey, let's just face it. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty.
I loved the after of the refrigerator side, and it feels so good to have decluttered and cleaned that space. You all may notice, I'm not sure on the clips that I showed, but on the freezer side at the very bottom, we noticed that there was a leak. This is a not very old refrigerator, so we had no idea, but luckily, because I did film this video, we found it, and Jeff hopefully got it repaired. I noticed, though, during this process, how disgusting the vent was at the bottom of the refrigerator. So you guys will get to see me use one of my new toys to clean it, and I cannot wait.
You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queen. flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder.
This is the Bissel Steam Shot. I'm sure if you guys watch Jamie's journey, you have seen this little invention, but it is absolutely amazing and worth every single penny of what I paid for it. It will definitely be linked in the description box below, but I highly recommend it. I have used it on tile. I did also use it on my dishwasher, but I will say that footage did not come out. I don't know what happened. It was not filming, but it did an excellent job around the sides of the dishwasher. It was great. So I highly recommend this product.
I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. I want to be silly, baby, dance the night away. I'll kick my shoes off if I want. Let yourself be free and maybe you will find that there is more to life than being pretty. Honey, let's just face it, you can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better.
Here I'm using another awesome tool that I saw on Jamie's journey, and this is another one that I highly recommend, and it is not very expensive. I will also have it linked below, so make sure to check it out. And in just a few minutes, you will see Jeff helps me to lift this cooktop up and clean around the sides. They were not too bad, but I'm glad we did it. The Clean Your Way to Calm Challenge checklist has this listed to move and clean behind your oven, but mine are separate pieces, so that's why I did it this way. You can definitely tailor the checklist to fit your needs and kitchen design. At the end of the video, you all will see me as I go through the checklist and check off what I have completed and what doesn't apply to my kitchen. I jumped around a bit, but everything that is incomplete will be in the part 2 video.
I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. Talk to me, baby, I've been waiting for a lifetime. Just keep on fading in all these photos, caught in the memories and captured in the highlights. Just keep on wasting glass after glass. I keep hoping you'll come around, drowning our fights in whatever can be found. 'Cause I've given in to all my demons lately. You know,
Here I'm going to be using the Dishwasher Affresh cleaner. It is a little tablet that you just drop in, and you can turn your dishwasher to the hottest scrubbing setting that you have available, and it really does a really deep shine. Now, I looked for the filter on this. I could not figure out where it was, and Jeff was not available to look at that for me, so I will be looking a little more into that. I'm not sure if it's something that I can get to very easily, but either way, the Affresh does a really good job. And I said in the earlier voiceover that I also use the steam cleaner to clean all around the sides, and I got so much gunk off, and I just hate that I did not get that on camera because it was so satisfying, and it really feels nice to have that really deep cleaned. And here I'm just making sure that the disposal is all clean. And again, I use these little disposal tablets. They make your sink smell delicious. And then I went behind with the Mrs. Meyers cream baking soda, which is another one of my favorite products. And now my sink feels like super clean.
You know, might be easier just to let it go. Cut the cable short and the problem solved. Might be easier for you. I do it all night. You're my only lifeline. Talk to me, baby. I've been waiting for a lifetime. Just keep on fading in all these photos, caught in the memories and captured in the highlights. Just keep on wasting. Might be easy.
After I have gotten all of the stainless steel wiped down with the Method stainless steel cleaner, I'm going in on my granite countertops with the Weiman's granite and stone cleaner. And the reason that I don't use the Method granite cleaner is because this cleaner, the Weiman's, says that it kills 99% of germs and bacteria. So it is also like a disinfectant. That is why I just don't use the Method. I wanted something to really disinfect the counters after we cook or have any kind of like raw meat. I will say this cleaner does a great job. It does have a really nice shine at the end, but my only complaint is it just doesn't smell as good as the Method granite cleaner.
I've got this feeling, I'm feeling you could be the one. I see no reason why I should ever let you go. I don't wanna wake up if I'm dreaming, because you know I can't get enough of this feeling you're giving me. Don't wanna wake up, no, I don't wanna wake up. I don't wanna wake up without you, baby, without I wouldn't know what to, baby.
You guys get to see my little youngest son over there, Jensen. He was throwing something away in the trash can. But I'm about to wrap up this video with sweeping and mopping the floors. Make sure to stay tuned for part 2 because there is still a ton to do in this kitchen, and I'm very excited to get it all done. And also, don't forget to go check out Jenny over at Cleaning Therapy. Subscribe and join us on her Clean Your Way to Calm challenge. I hope you all have a wonderful day, and I can't wait to see you all in the next one. Much love always. Bye.
I'm looking in your eyes, wish you could see the things I see. I don't wanna wake up if I'm dreaming, because you know I can't get enough of this feeling you're giving me. Don't wanna wake up, no, I don't wanna wake up. Don't wanna wake up without you, baby, without
What's it like to be the one that he turns to when he's out of answers? What's it like to be the one that he comes to when he wants to dance? And I wonder what's that like? I have got him on my mind, but he doesn't know my name. like to hold his hand when